Alright guys, my name is Ryan and you are looking at my 1974 Toyota Celica ST. Car is originally silver with black vinyl roof and 18RC and automatic. As you can see, it looks a little rough. You can see the original color there. I don't know if you can really see it in the camera. Silver. Sometime between the original owner and myself, the car got repainted white. You can see the vinyl roof there. Previous owner I grabbed it from already took out the engine. As you can see, it's the original color right there on the hood and the engine bay. Mostly complete. Needs a few things here and there, but yeah. Very nice, complete car. The strip you see here, that is where they had those rubber door protectors, popular in the 70s. And you can see the original color as well across the strip here. I say this is a great car because the interior is wonderful. Besides the back up here, there's the door. I already took out the little red light there, but as you can see, interior is mostly intact, besides the bolsters on the seats, driver and the passenger. Other thing is there's the dash, very nice. You see the automatic shifter. Mileage is at 67,117. Don't know if that's 167,000 or 67,000, but judging by the brake pedal, I would say that's only about 67,000 miles. I don't know if you can see the brake pedal there. Oh. And then you got the clock, the original radio. It is an original AC car, but the previous owner sold the AC system, so I gotta look for that. There's the rear seats, again, wonderful shape, just needs to be cleaned. There are speakers underneath the back shelf, and you can see the wonderful headliner. Hasn't been touched with the dome light. So, going back to the trunk, the car is an ST model. Automatic, says it on the center panel there. It is blue plate car. And there it is. And wonderful thing about this car is it is complete. One second here. So as you can see, there is the original jack. Came with the toolkit. That is a gas tank behind that black panel. And let me show you some other goodies here. Take out the jack and the toolkit. It's got the, as you can see, still has the trunk liner. Has a full-size spare. Oops, sorry about that. Camera work, horrible. And it came with a GT styled steel wheel. So again, wonderful surprise. This is the gasket for the driver's side mirror. Anyways, didn't know what I had in the car until I bought it in 2012, and I don't know exactly what I had in it. That's where the jack sits. But yeah, this is the car. It needs a little body work. As you can see, there is the original color on the trunk lid. It does need body work, like I said, very little. But overall, it's a complete car. Wonderful. Previous owner started taking it apart and put the pieces in Ziploc bags, which is great. Also has it labeled, so yeah. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed a little tour of my project. And I'll see you guys later.